Hello traders, welcome back. In the previous lectures of this section, I have explained you every main steps and rule of swing trading strategy where I did not use any indicators or tools to place a trade entry. The method of all the trade entry positions was based on pure price action on the chart, because I believe that if you can analyze the market data using just the pure price action on a price action chart, then you can enhance the analyzing method with any other tools or indicators which can act as an extra level of trade confirmation instrument on your trading strategy. And now, from this lecture on to the next few lectures, I will show you more advanced method to trade the swings of a trend. But you don't need to worry, I will not use any nasty looking indicators which will distract you to understand the market sentiment instead of helping you to validate a trade on a trendy market. So in this lecture today, I will tell you about one of my most favorite indicator that helps me to have an extra level of trade confirmation whenever I want to trigger a trade in a trendy market. So let's start. As you can see, this is a forward chart of US dollar versus Japan yen, and you will also notice that the market is trending upward on this price action chart, and the uptrend has established by making continuous higher highs and higher lows, where every valid bottom is the higher low point on this trend, which gives the swing traders an excellent opportunity to trade long in every valid higher low point they see in this uptrend market. Although we can trade this uptrend with our swing trading strategy as you learned in the earlier lectures, where we traded the trend by following three main steps to analyze the market. Wouldn't it be great if we have a more reliable and an extra trade confirmation setup with the help of an indicator? Well, I think it would be nice if we integrate and have one more trade confirmation setup in our strategy. So look at the same chart again, but now you will notice that there are two special moving average indicators have been set on this price action chart. Look at the chart very carefully, that how nicely price gets rejection to go more down below these moving average lines, while the market was having a retracement towards the downward direction. All the higher low points as well as the strong bullish candlesticks at those higher low points has been formed right above the moving average lines. Price always respected these moving average lines as if these two moving averages are acting like a trend line support for the price actions in this uptrend market. These moving averages always acts as a dynamic support and resistance level in our price action chart, but especially in a trendy market, whether it's an uptrend market or a downtrend market. So every high-low levels which has formed above the moving average lines gives you an extra level of comfort and signal to trade long. Now let me show you how to set up these moving averages on your chart using MetaTrader trading software. I use two exponential moving average indicator on my chart. One is the 30 exponential moving average and the other one is the 50 exponential moving average. To set this moving average indicator in your MetaTrader trading software, at first open up the terminal with a price action chart. Then take a look at the upper left window of your trading terminal. Here you will see a tab named Insert. So click on it. A new section will be toggled down. From here go to the indicator, then go to trend, and from here click and select the moving average. Then a new window will be opened. Here you will see some custom fields to set the values of moving average, where we will only modify the parameters for our moving average setup. So for our first moving average, type 30 in the field named period. Then click and select exponential from MA method field. And then on the next field, click and choose the close value to apply. After that, select and choose any color for the moving average line. In my chart, I use orange red color for 30 exponential moving average. So I select orange red for my 30 exponential moving average, and if you did the same things along with me, then click the OK button to finish the setup. After you hit the OK button, your chart will look something like this. This single moving average line is enough for most of the trade signals, but we will set another one to have a better trade confirmation. Now repeat the same procedure to set the next moving average value. Click on the Insert tab, then go to Indicators, then go to Trend, and then click Moving Average. Here apply all the settings as the previous one which we did for the 30 exponential moving average. The only thing we will change here is the color and the period value. Set the period value to 50 and give it a color. In my case, I use light blue color for the 30 exponential moving average. Now that we are all done, just hit the OK button to finish the setup. And that is all. We're all done to set these two special moving average which we are going to use in our price action chart to have an extra level of trade entry confirmation along with swing trading strategy. Now that you have learned about how to set these moving averages in your chart, it's time to know how to make a proper use of these moving averages in a trendy market. But I will tell you that in the next lecture. So we'll see you in the next lecture. Until then, have a nice day and goodbye.